Welcome back to my YouTube channel, y'all. These are the costumes that we add, and then this is a DIY decoration that we bought, including balloons. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So I'm gonna head on to the makeup right away. So yeah, this is the face of the celebrant, so smiling and charming. Yeah, okay, so we started with the eyebrows already. I've done the eyebrow, then I'm doing the eyeshadow right now, putting the primer, setting the primer, and then putting the eyeshadow on it. So this is a fast forward video. I don't want to do a very long video so you guys don't get confused. Yeah, thank you so much. This is the final look for the first outfit. Yep, so I'm setting the design for the second look in a bit. You're gonna like it. I made the hair, I did the makeup, and I shot with my iPhone 6 Plus. Thank you so much. Tell me that it's good. I know it's good. All right, so this is the third look that she said she wanted flower on her head, and it's nice. We had to change the color of the lip to ombre red, and then we put a bride to be banner on her body, and this is the outcome. So at the end of the day, we're just dancing. It was so fun. I enjoyed myself, my housemates, my former housemates. It was a vibe because we had the photo shoots with our phones, and it was like a DIY thing. We enjoyed ourselves throughout. Gosh, you can see it. I love it personally. I had so much fun. Gosh. So much fun, so much vibe. That's me. Like I don't know what I was dancing, but I tried dancing anyways. So yes, this is the face of the celebrant. Pardon the video, it's just manage it for me, please. Thank you so much please subscribe to my channel, like, and leave a comment below. Love you guys. Bye.